What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. So we are going to be doing some reorganizing and I'm scared because I have no idea what I'm doing, like what layout I want, and I know I just want to get it organized. I'm gonna be moving stuff around like drastically because I am no longer reselling on like OfferUp. I'm not selling bundles anymore. I've kind of just been doing yard sales. So what I'm doing now is I have boxes where I'm putting stuff in there that I don't use or I don't need for myself, and then like every 3 to 4 months I will be doing big yard sales just to, you know, get everything moving, and then, you know, of course continue donating some stuff. So right now I want to clean out all of this. What is this? What is this? I want to clean out the racks on stuff that I don't necessarily like resell at home. Like I'm still gonna keep some of the Tide because obviously we use that, my family uses that, so I'm gonna keep the stuff that we use, which is like all of this stuff. We use the mouthwash. I'm probably gonna get rid of some of this stuff, but I think I'll probably only get rid of this Lysol and just put it down because I think I only have like 5 anyways. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. But I am going to be getting rid of all of the Snuggle. The Snuggle we don't use whatsoever. Maybe the dryer sheets I'll keep for us, and these little like scent boosters. But as for the softener, I definitely am going to get rid of because I don't use that at all. We don't use that at all. And then the razors, I've actually gotten rid of a ton of razors. So I'm going to get rid of a little bit more and just, yeah. And then I thought we can just vlog all of that. We'll probably do like a huge montage full speed because I'm going to take stuff down and we are going to put diapers. I want to have diapers here just so I can like keep an eye on what diapers I have. Like if I have newborn, if I have size 1, size 2. That way if I continue couponing diapers, I don't get too much of one size or too little of one size. That way, you know, I can get the right amount of each size of diapers. So that's the only reason why I want to have them in here. And then of course when little one arrives, it'll just be much easier to have the diapers here. But I'm probably only going to have sizes newborn to 3, and then size 4, 5, and 6 I'll have down in the garage. So let's get started. Now before jumping on to today's video, I want to thank Credit Sesame so much for sponsoring this part of the video, and I am so glad that they are. You guys know Jay and I share almost everything with you guys from our stay-at-home mom journey, our one-income family journey, which has not been easy. It has affected, well, it did affect our credit. It affected our credit score. It, you know, we couldn't grow our credit. And that's why I'm glad I'm getting to share Credit Sesame with you guys. Credit Sesame is so much more than a free credit score. They give you personalized tips on growing your credit score. They give you recommendations and all of that. But the part that I am so excited to share with you guys, the part that I wish I would have gotten in on a lot sooner, is their Sesame Cash free debit account. Now I know we heard our favorite word, free debit account. With Sesame Cash, the money you already have and the daily debit purchases you make, like from couponing, you can now build your credit history. So your everyday purchases can now help you grow your credit score. But it doesn't end there. And I know, you guys are probably thinking, how can it get better than that? But it can. And let's brace ourselves for this tongue twister. Credit Sesame's Sesame Cash account is the only account that rewards you cash for improving your credit score. You guys heard that right. You will get rewarded for improving your credit score. So let's not sleep on this, guys. Let's not make excuses, because I have never seen or heard of an easier option to grow your credit score. Like I said, it is so much more than a free credit score. You can get, you know, the personalized tips, the recommendations, plus all of these bonuses with the Sesame Cash debit account. So definitely take advantage of this. Click that link in the description and don't miss out. day. Well, yeah, it kind of took all day. But that's only because I did some organizing from the stuff that I took out. I put it in boxes, like stuff that we're going to do for the yard sale, stuff that we're going to donate, and then stuff that I'm going to give to my mom. So, like, putting everything out, that's what took a long time. But this is all done, so I'm going to show you guys quickly. We got rid of this wall thingy. Well, it was this one right here. It was this thing because it wasn't holding on to the door right, and it was really heavy. So I ended up putting the stuff that I had on that, which was like dish soap and hand soap, the little stuff. I put them in the boxes with the toothpaste, and then I actually got rid of a ton of toothpaste, and I only narrowed it down to like 4 boxes, which before I had 7. And then the deodorant as well, I narrowed them down a lot. And then I fixed the pegboard a little, and then this is what our shelves are looking like. We still got the paper at the bottom. I know you guys get worried about that. Let's hope we don't get a flood down there, but it's only a little bit. And then I still need to get some more Scott from down in the garage. We'll get that, and then I'll have a full shelf of Scott toilet paper. And then our diapers, we have size newborn to size 3. So now I get to see what we have, and this is perfect because I thought I had way more newborn diapers, but I only have 3 packs, and then I have 1 box. So I'm definitely going to try to get more newborn. Definitely going to get more size 1. Maybe like 2-3 more packs. And then size 2 definitely need a little more, and size 3 need a little more. Because obviously as when the baby gets a little older, they're going to be needing more of that size. Like newborn, I know they don't need that many. Size 1, not that many. But size 2 and 3, we definitely need to get a little bit more of that. And then we organized all this stuff. This is all the stuff that we use, or that can be like, you know, we can put into gift baskets. We can resell easily. We can just like, you know, give away easily. So this is all the good stuff. Then we have lotions, which I need these because I get a ton of back rubs and foot massages from Jay. They're like my absolute favorite thing. So we're always running out of these little bottles super quick. And then we got some baby products and some baby wipes. The kids and Jay use baby wipes instead of toilet paper. Weird, I know. Let me know in the comments if you're a toilet paper person or a wipey person, because I can never do wipies. It's just too weird for me. So I put the wipies there and actually swapped them out. So if you guys saw in the video, like I had wipies at the top and then I swiped them out. It's because these are the old ones that were down in the garage, and when I opened the box I was like, holy cow, I'm like, we've been using brand new wipies while having these old wipies down there. So I was like, I need to switch them out. The purple ones are a little newer, but I just gotta let Jay and the kids know to grab the cucumber green tea ones first, because those are the ones that need to go out first. And then we got our laundry stuff. Nothing really changed here. We have some empty spots in the back. Hopefully we can get some more gain. And then the stuff that we use here as well. You know, I took out some of the Febreze. We're not really Febreze people, but I'm gonna try to use these more often. And then our new Dawn, we put our Dawn here, and then our dish, the dish soap for the dishwasher, and then our trash bags, and then all of our detergent at the bottom. So we have some good stuff here. And then these at the bottom, these are definitely, I'm still gonna try to do some bundles for OfferUp with like toilet paper and the big detergents, and then some of these to get rid of this stuff to like move it out and not have to like do it for a yard sale. So hopefully we could do that, and I'll show you guys some bundles. We're still going to be doing a pricing list. I'm so sorry guys if I'm so out of breath. I was literally just putting the paper towels down there and like moving a couple of stuff, and I got so winded, like so exhausted. But yeah, hopefully we'll come back with another pricing list. Don't think I need to do a stockpile tour. Kind of just did that now for you guys. This is pretty much it. We have downsized our stockpile by a lot throughout the years. It was small, then it got super huge, then humongous, and now we're like at a decent size that is for our family. So that's why whenever I get the comments of people saying like, you're hoarding, you don't need all that, I'm like, it's not a lot. I'm like, it's not a lot compared to what I used to have. But alright guys, that is going to be all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next one. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Bye.